Hello everyone, welcome back to Agri Farming. Today we are back with home gardening tips and ideas for beginners. Before selecting the type of garden, you need to consider few things that are the most important things like the selection of site, availability of sunlight, choosing area close to the water, nutrient rich soil, choosing the right plants, mulching and feeding the plants. First of all, let's get into terrace gardening tips for home garden for beginners. You might think it is difficult to find the greens in ever expanding city. We are trying so hard to save and retain green space in the concrete jungle era. The only way to increase the green in the city is to practice gardening in residential flats, commercial hubs or in office complexes. The beauty of these gardens is that you can grow vegetables, flowers, or fruits on the top of the terraces, roofs of the building, or in the balconies. The first thing you need to do is preparing the terrace or roof. First, you need to waterproof the roof, making it leakage free so that the building does not affect. Waterproofing is a simple procedure and several products are available for waterproofing. You can get the one which fulfills your requirement. So, what is best for terrace garden? Pots or containers are the best for terrace gardens. Get a suitable container or pot from the market, or you can use any container from home so that you can recycle it. Cover the bottom with stones and make drainage hole at the bottom. This will provide a space for the water to flow but not the soil. The next thing is potting mixed soil. You need to prepare the soil by mixing compost, sand, vermicompost, and soil in equal parts and fill the container or pots. Wet the soil and start sowing the seeds and sampling and just watch the bloom. So, the next thing you need to know is which plants you can grow on terrace. If you want to grow vegetables, then start the ones which grow fast and do not require much effort. So, you can start with chili, capsicum, spinach, coriander, gram, fenugreek, etc. You can gain confidence once you grow them. Later, you can start with fruits and vegetables of your own choice. You can grow almost all vegetables on terraces. The next thing you need to know about terrace gardening is provide shade to your terrace garden. As they are directly exposed to sunlight from day till evening, it will harm your plants. So you need to cover your garden with shade. Your terrace garden might suffer from scorching heat of the sun, so you need to protect your plants by covering it with UV stabilized garden shade. It protects your garden from excessive rains too. If you want to minimize your budget, then you need to go with mosquito nets which are light in weight and serves the purpose too. Now, let's see the use of wind barriers for terrace garden. In terrace garden, the biggest problem is controlling high-speed winds. This may break tender shoots or plants with tender stems. To control this, you need to install a solid wind barrier or fencing to protect your plants. Garden shade can protect your plants from winds, but you need to clamp them sturdily to the roof floor to provide support to the plants. How to plant the seeds in a terrace garden. Once you are ready to with the mixed soil and all the arrangements of terrace garden, you have to start planting the seeds in a seedling tray and then you have to transfer to the pot, or you can directly sow the seeds in the pot. If you are using a seeding tray, then you can need to be filled the potting mixture. Plant the seeds on 1 inch deep into the sockets and sprinkle the water. After 5 to 6 leaves spring out, then transplant them into separate pots appropriately. During the transplantation of saplings, take care that the roots of the saplings do not expose to the direct sunlight. It is better to do the transplantation during evenings or in the shady area. Adding mulch to the terrace garden. Apply 2 to 3 inches deep mulch around each plant. This reduces the weight and also protects the plant from moisture loss through evaporation. You can use shredded leaves or straw or other organic mulches for your terrace garden. This gives amazing results. The next thing you need to know for terrace garden is that how to manage pests in a terrace garden. Once your plant starts growing, you need to deal with different pests like ants, aphids, bugs, etc. There are different ways to deal with them, so you need to deal with them organically to manage pests that affect your plants. Do not use chemical to manage them because they are harmful. Some of the other techniques for home gardening are balcony gardening, container gardening, indoor home gardening, and backyard gardening. All of the tips based on these gardens are similar to terrace gardening. Additional tips for indoor gardening is propagating is the best method for indoor plants to grow into full-size adults. You can propagate the plants immediately in the small pots filled with moistened soil or potting mix. With the same light, temperature, and moisture, the baby plant grows into a parent quickly. In this way, you can grow more and more plants indoor effectively. It is better to place your plant for some time in sunlight if your indoor plants have poor light availability. Treat your plants as your best friends in all types of home garden because you need to observe their growth, color, size, and sometimes the taste too. If your plant is green and healthy, then it states that it is growing well by getting all the requirements. If your plant is weak and appears dull, then you need to consider few things. All the tips and ideas for terrace, balcony, and indoor gardening and other house plants are pretty much similar. It is based on how much we care for them. But the only thing which is different for home gardening is backyard gardening. So, let's get into some details about backyard home gardening. The garden size in backyard gardening is very important. The amount of availability of space in your backyard helps you to decide the design of the project. Even in 100 square foot area, you can extensively produce a steady supply of vegetables. The ideal space allows you to grow all the vegetables that you need. The next is preparing soil for backyard gardening. Soil is an important factor for the growth of the plants. You need to add compost, manure, and other organic fertilizers that enhance the plant growth efficiently. One tips about indoor and balcony and terrace garden tips is that never use your backyard soil as your potting soil. You should always use a potting mix which is mixture of perlite and soil so that you can grow your plants very well in containers. One of the most important tips for growing home garden is watering. The design of your garden influences how to water your plants in backyard garden. And for your house plants and indoors or balcony plants, you need to water more efficiently and you need to put a drainage hole on your containers. If you would like to place an automatic watering system, then you need to plan for drip irrigation or overhead sprinklers. This will save you time and water too. Now, let's get into how to manage pests in backyard gardening. Pest management is an important step in backyard gardening as it is open for many insects and pests, so you can follow the organic methods for removing the pest. If your plant is immune enough, then the pest cannot affect your plant. So, better plan for increasing the immunity in your plants. You can grow all types of vegetables and fruits in your backyard garden as it allows much space of your plants to grow freely. Let's get into the summary for tips and techniques and ideas for home garden. The first thing is site is right. Starting a garden is just like real estate, it's about all location. Place your garden in a part of your backyard where you'll see it regularly. The second is follow the sun. Misjudging sunlight is a common pitfall when you are first learning to garden. Pay attention to how sunlight plays through your yard before choosing a spot for your garden. The third tip is stay close to water. One of the biggest gardening tips you'll ever get is to plant your new garden near a water source. Make sure you can run to hose to your garden site so you don't have to lug water to it each time your plants get thirsty. The fourth is start with great soil. When starting a garden, one of the top pieces of advice is to invest in soil that is nutrient rich and well drained. The fifth tip is consider containers. When space is at premium, look to containers. You can grow many plants in pots including vegetables, herbs, flowers, fruit trees, berries, and shrubs. The sixth is choose the right plants. And the next is discover your zone. The last but not the least tip is feed your plants regularly. That's all folks for today. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe to this channel and please ring the bell button to notify you whenever new video is uploaded. Thank you for watching.